Hey, it's Ryan and Sam with Launch the Journey. Where we headed to host
We're
Christmas
going to see
past.
Santa.
Yeah, host a Christmas past. Santa's gonna be there.
We're going to sit on Santa's knee.
This is yours. Bradley, come on, get out of the way.
You got a bicycle?
Take all the
Hey, how about a big old that truck?
Hey, I got you. Nice shot. What's up, Josh? What's up? What's up, Rylan? Pass it to Sam. Oh. Everybody, it's okay by
What?
video.
No, we're supposed to be doing a photo.